Oh my fucking Christ, the 765LT, he got an unbelievable video on it. It's so nice looking and it looks so unreal in person. What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Shane and welcome to another episode here in 5-Star Cars, where I just give my thoughts and opinions on what's going on in the supercar community, some of the videos I've watched during the day. And yeah, on today's episode, guys, we'll be covering DDE, we'll be covering new people, gtboard.com, Cars with Luke, and a few more. We were going to jump into that in a minute. So first of all, just anybody that subscribed recently, thank you very much. I think I got a new subscriber. Like, whoever you are a legend. Thank you. And if you're new to the channel, well, you know, consider subscribing. Just smash the subscribe button, because every person that subscribes, guys, I will give you the content that you want, but I need you to help the channel out and help it grow. You know, there's no supercars where I am, so I do this, but we will be doing vlogs, and we are aiming to get a project car, but I can't get a project car without you helping the channel grow. And hopefully you're into this kind of stuff. It's just, you know, me chatting to you guys. And also, lads, please do let me know in the comments below any small car YouTubers you want to recommend, channels for me to check out and review. I'll do it. Also, if you want to come on the show, come on a podcast with me for half an hour to talk about your own channel, or to talk about, if you're a subscriber and even wants to talk about some of your favorite car YouTubers for half an hour, I'd love to do it. We can do like a Zoom call or something, and I want to make this a fun channel and chat about what's going on. You know, this is what we're here to do, to discuss, to give our thoughts and opinions, and I think it's just a lot of fun stuff to do. So you know, guys, it's just something different. I feel that you know, hopefully we can make it work. And if I have any other news, maybe possibly, I've been talking to BMW here in Limerick, to one of their sales rep, and I'm very close to him saying I can start reviewing a few cars there. I think they have an 8 Series coupe there. They have a few 420s. They have an X6. They have I think a Mini Sport as well. So Cooper S. So I'm trying my best here, guys. They won't be like Shmee level reviews. They'll just be my own sort of just kind of a vlog and whatever. But look, once I find out we get to review one of these cars, you're going to be the first to know. So let's jump into today's video. Who are we going to cover first? Oh yes, gtboard.com. So as you saw by the thumbnail, basically, I've never covered these guys before. I don't know where they're from. I think they're from Sweden. I'm not too sure, but oh my fucking Christ, the 765LT, he got an unbelievable video on it. It's so nice looking, and it looks so unreal in person. Absolutely in love with this car. I know there's people out there that are sick of McLaren, but for fuck's sake, guys, look at this car. You can't deny that it's absolutely beautiful and one of the most stunning cars out there, and this is what McLaren do. Here you go, check this video out. It's absolutely beautiful.
LT, gorgeous sound.
So what do you think, guys? Comment below, let me know. Narrow grey looks sick. I mean, you could put that car in nearly any colour and it's going to be absolutely gorgeous. I just love how aggressive looking it is. It looks like it's just the 720 on steroids. What can I say? Why the fuck can't I just win the Euro Millions and I'll buy one? So I mean, when I was looking at that video, just even the sound off it, the lines of the car, the wheels, everything about it is such presence. I would be interested to see which car YouTuber will end up getting one first and what mods to do to it. Like that car in a balloon white pearl with a chrome lip and gold wheels. Oh, be perfect, absolutely stunning. Or even, you know, just a really nice kind of like a purpley gold color or something like that. I think would be unbelievable. But yeah, let me know what you think of the 765LT below, guys. Would you buy one? Yeah, just an absolute stunning car and great video by the guy. Remember, all the links are in the description below if you want to see the videos that I cover. Next on the list is DDE. They have gotten a new set of wheels for the C8. About fucking time. I think Damon took his time getting this one. Well, obviously he had to get the 720S and stuff like that. So he ended up getting, I think, is it Brixton forged wheels for the car. Yeah, they're pretty nice. I do like them. I feel like they're just a tad bit small in the arch, because those fucking arches are massive on the C8. But they do look really, really nice. Probably could have went a small bit bigger on the size. But they look way better than the stock wheels. So I'm just glad he's put on a set of wheels for it. So yeah, they're pretty sweet. I'm glad he's getting more mods to the C8, and you know, they're literally killing it. Like, they have so much going on their channel at the moment. It's hard not to watch them. It's just mods left, right, and center. So, and they're even hinting, I think, on Life Apollos. I think Life Apollos said that they've even dropped the hint of getting a 4GT like Stradman. That would be pretty nuts to have that on their channel as well. If you have seen that, comment below, let me know, and let me know what you think of the new wheels in the C8. It'll be interesting to hear your thoughts. Next on our journey on the list here today is Cars with Luke. Now, guys, we all know, like, literally since I've watched one video of the new 911 Turbo S, I'm seeing loads of videos pop up about it, and the more I watch of them, the more I'm falling in love with this car, and the more I'm turning into a bit of a Porsche boy at the moment, fanboy at the moment, because it's just absolutely memorizing. What an unbelievable car. I did look at a clip from CarWow giving some stats in the car. They got 2.5 seconds out of 0 to 60. That is ridiculously crazy times recording for a car that's worth £155,000 sterling, which is whatever, 180,000 US. So much car for your money. Again, if I won the Euro Millions, I would definitely put that on my list to buy. But even check out Luke's reaction here when he does a launch in this car. You can just tell this car is so worth buying if you had the money.
Launch control activated. Oh my God!
Yeah, there you go, guys. He ended up a fucking emotional wreck after this. He's just like, he was so emotional. Like, this is the best, like, you know, launch ever. I would love to drive one of these cars. I just experienced it. They just, like, Mr. JWW bought one. Shmee reviewed it. CarWow saying it's one of the quickest cars he's driven. It's just the reviews in it is insane, absolutely insane. I think Porsche have knocked it out of the park with this one. You know, and I don't think it's too expensive for the price of it. Let me know in the comments below, would you buy one? It would just, you know, guys, subscribe. The bigger the channel gets, the more money I make, and the better I can get better cars for us and start getting project cars. So yeah, I mean, great review as well by Cars with Luke. The cinematography on that was just ridiculously brilliant. He's one of the best out there that does it, and definitely we'll cover him more often, and we'll definitely be covering more 911 Turbo S's more often as well. So next on our list that we're moving on to is Dip Your Car. Now, I love Dip Your Car. Some of the colours they come out with are absolutely insane. I've covered them a few times before, and this time they have done a mystery box, and the colour that they have come out with is mother of fucking Jesus, one of the best colours I've seen in a long time, and I've fallen in love with it. Holy shit balls. I mean, this colour is just, oh, I'll put you this way. A mystery box. I think it was like a purpley blue mixed in with a blue and mixed in with a, I can't remember the name of the pearl. There was a pearl mixed in with it as well. It was like a violet or something like that. And the results, well, here we go. I'll let you see for yourself. There you go, guys. This colour, if we end up getting a project car, I don't know what colour I end up doing the project car. As I said in my other videos, I'm thinking of getting a Toyota MR2, but then I'm thinking if we make enough money off the channel to buy a Porsche Cayman, I won't know what colour to go. That colour would definitely be up at the top of my list, along with Stradman's satin purple were probably the two ones I'd be deciding. It's unbelievable. It's just so nice in the sun, and I just love that kind of a colour. Imagine that colour over the Porsche 911 Turbo S. Just let that sit in your head. That would be one of the sexiest cars on the road with that colour on now. I'd be just, wow, blown away. What a colour. Let me know what you think in the comments below, guys. Definitely do. But I'm in love with that colour and definitely considering it on a project car in the future if we end up doing one. Last but not least on our list, guys, is SOS Customz. They have gone away and put a full wide arch kit on a 2020 Supra. The reason I'm covering this, I haven't covered them before, because when I saw the kit, it absolutely is pretty, I think it's pretty sick. I really like it. Yeah, I think it turned out pretty amazing. They did some job in it. It's a bit chunkier than the Street Hunter kit from TJ Hunt, but here's a quick video of it for you just so you can check it out. And there you go, guys. Let me know in the comments below what you think of the kit. Would I consider buying it? I think it's the second best kit I've seen on a 2020 Supra. The Street Hunter kit from TJ Hunt will always be my favourite if I ever end up getting one. I do like the lines of it. At least it has an air suspension kit. Hate the wheels in it. Not a fan of the wheels whatsoever, but the kit itself is pretty sweet. And I was thinking it better have an air ride suspension kit because it's going to need it. But yeah, I think I really like it. Let me know what you think in the comments below. SOS Customz do a lot of TJ Hunt's work for them, and they do some really good quality work. And 2020, that Supra has turned out amazing. I really like it. I'm digging that kit. So that's basically it. So that is everything for today, guys. Thanks very much. I know I've been a bit slow, posting. It's hard for me again, working gym and people distract me in the evening, so I don't get around to because I record these and edit them and have them ready for next day. So I am sorry if they're going to be coming out a bit slow. They'll be coming out bits and pieces over the next few days, but I am going to try and get back regularly posting and try and get back dropping videos every day. But do stick with me, and everybody that's watched to the end, thank you very much. It means a lot to me. I hope you support the channel, like this kind of stuff, and do get discussing in the comments below. So thank you very much. Till the next episode. Peace out, stay safe, and bye.